Okay, good evening, guys. Today we'll be seeing this lab like multimodality with Gemini. Like in this, we will be like seeing the models, different models used by Gemini to give prompts and like text responses and video responses. Okay, now just start our lab. Okay, guys. First of all, we need to open the workbench. So we'll be working on the Jupyter lab. So let's start with setup and requirements. Yeah, as you can see, we need to enable like all the APIs recommended. For that, just click on this Vertex AI. Okay, just click on this enable all recommended APIs. You can see here, like all the services like APIs have been enabled. Okay, and we'll be starting this task one. So here, go to this workbench. Go to user manage notebooks. And here, we'll be working on this Jupyter AI, generative AI Jupyter lab. So open this Jupyter lab. Okay, open generative AI. Okay, in generative AI, we need to go to Gemini, and in Gemini, user use cases. So open this Gemini, and here use cases. To expand this, you will see like intro multimodal use case. Like open this Jupyter lab. Yeah, and now we'll be working on this Jupyter lab. Be running these cells here, like Gemini 1.0 Pro model and 1.0 Pro Vision model. You already know, like in Gemini 1.0 Pro, we can only ask like text and chart, but in Gemini Pro Vision model, we can give like we can get responses for audio, video, and like text also, images, all that. So we'll be working both in 1.0 Pro and 1.0 Pro Vision model in this lab. Okay, first of all, need to install all the Vertex AI SDKs. If they are already there, we will just upgrade them. Okay, it's installed. I'll just restart the kernel so that the upgraded APIs will be reflected. Click on OK. And now we need to authenticate our Google account to this Jupyter lab. So run this command. Okay, here we need to change your project ID with our own project ID. For that, just copy this project ID. And here, replace it here. And run this command. Okay, just import the required libraries. You can see now in this we are using Gemini 1.0 Pro Vision model. Like in this, we can use both text prompt, text image, text responses, and for responses for music, responses for videos and audios. Okay, just import the model to multimodal, like generative model. We'll be calling this Gemini 1 provision model. And now we are like defining the functions. Okay, this is the display images. Like we'll be showing this calling list display images. We'll get the images in the response, and this is like get image bytes from URL. Like from the URL we have given, we will get the image. And this is also we need like we'll be loading those images by using the URLs, and we will display the content as the image. And here this is for videos. Okay, this is to print the multimodal, like what is the content given by the response. We need to declare all these methods like functions. And here like we'll be importing two image grocery URL. From this we are importing an image from GitHub repositories, and this is also another image we have upload like taken from GitHub. Like these are bananas and apples and those price lists. Okay, and we are loading those images by calling those URLs, load image URL. From using these image URLs, we are loading those images, and those will be stored in this image grocery and image prices variables. And here we are giving instructions to the prompt. Like we have just stored those instructions in an instruction variable, and we are giving two prompts, like prompt 1 and prompt 2. Okay, so run this command. We'll see what will be the response to the prompts given. Okay, you can see for the prompt 1, how much should I pay for the fruits given in the price list? You can see the response, and this is first step, like prompt 2. This is the response, and this is the prompt we have given, and this is the response given by the model. Okay, this is another example. Like from this, we will be displaying like in the images what are the contents. We will be asking the like what we can do, like what are the operations we can perform on the given image. So here, how can I like we are asking the model like how can I reset this appliance like I have given. So Gemini will understand and like responds to us. Okay, this is another prompt like relation between ER diagrams, and we are using this er.png from GitHub. Okay, this is the prompt like document entities and relationship in this diagram. This is the diagram we have imported. This is the response given by the model. Like these are the what are the entities and the relation between those entities. Okay, and this is for multiple images. For those we will be like recommending. So you can see here for the prompt 1 we have given which of these glasses you recommend for me to based on shape of my face. Like we have given also the shape of our face, and like for the glasses 1 we are using this first image. Okay, and for glasses 2 we are using this next image. For those two, from those two images, what is the glasses I can like get for my shape, that is oval shaped face. You can see the model has recommended as glass 1 for our face. Okay, and this is like say differences and similarities between those models, like images. It will differentiate and like it will find the similarities between the images we have given. You can see for this both images, we can see there is a person here and we don't see a person here. It will like to find the differences between those images. Okay, and for this here we are using for video descriptions, like we will be changing this mime type. Like from the above in before cells we have given image and PNG. Okay. For now, we'll be giving video and MP3 for video responses. And URI, this is the URI, the video we are getting from the GitHub repository. And for that, like we are giving the prompt what is shown in this video and where should I go to see. Okay, based on this video, this is the response produced by the image model. Okay, and now we'll be extracting the tags from the image. Okay, we need to wait. The response will be load. The model will take some time. Okay, this is the response. And we can ask multiple questions for this image. And for retrieving extra information, we just need to change this prompt only. For the prompt we have given, the model will try to respond to us. Okay, the response will take time. Like for the videos, it will take time to process and give the response. Okay, we will be getting the response. And we have run all these commands, and you can go through the process like what is happening here. Okay, you can also go through this Wikipedia link to understand like what is happening in those and for extra content here. Okay, now just check our progress. Come back to this lab, and after completing all the cells, you can just check your progress. It will automatically reflect here. Just wait, it will take some time. Also check your progress here. Just wait, it will take some time to reflect. Yeah. Okay. Let's see if our computer will have 100%, and now we can just end our lab. Yeah. Okay, that's it, guys. If you have any queries, please unmute yourself and ask your queries now. Anyone having any queries regarding like invitation mail or doing the labs? Any problems facing those labs?